Welcome to luxury RV heaven. Get ready to witness the future of motorhome. Perfection. The 2026 Volvo Extra Level Motorhome, where next-level luxury meets cutting-edge engineering. From the very first glance, this isn't just an RV, it's a rolling 5-star hotel crafted to awaken your senses and elevate your journey like never before. Imagine a machine so sleek and powerful, it turns every head on the road. The 2026 Volvo Extra Level is more than design. It's a bold statement of elegance, dominance, and class. With its aerodynamic body, chrome accents, and intelligent LED lighting, this RV stands tall as a symbol of modern freedom. But don't just admire it from the outside. Step in and let your jaw drop. As the automatic staircase lowers to greet you, you're welcomed into a world that redefines comfort. Every inch of the interior whispers exclusivity. Custom hardwood floors, Italian leather recliners, ambient lighting that follows your mood. This is a motorhome that thinks and feels like a palace. The panoramic smart windows adjust to sunlight, giving you control over brightness, warmth, and privacy with a single tap. The 2026 Volvo Extra Level doesn't just travel the world, it brings the world to your fingertips. Let's talk kitchen. A chef's paradise on wheels. Outfitted with a full-size smart fridge, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and even a built-in coffee bar. This isn't campfire cooking, this is gourmet dining wherever you are. Quartz countertops and soft close cabinetry wrap the space in elegance, while hidden compartments maximize storage like magic. And then comes the lounge, a cinematic dreamland. A 65-inch retractable 4K OLED screen, surround sound that rivals any home theater, and zero-gravity massage chairs that adjust to your body. Sync your favorite streaming apps, dim the lights, and you're instantly in your private cinema, even in the middle of nowhere. Sleep like royalty in a master suite that blurs the line between hotel luxury and mobile convenience. A king-size memory foam bed, automated climate zones, and a walk-in closet with LED vanity lighting make it feel like home. No, better than home. Slide open the privacy partition and you'll find a bathroom that belongs in a penthouse, rainfall shower, backlit mirror, marble finishes, and even a Japanese-style smart toilet. Literally. Dual slide-outs extend both walls, doubling your living area into a full-size apartment. And yes, there's a private workspace with 5G connectivity, noise-canceling panels, and a view that no office in the world can beat. Sweet blind spot monitoring, trailer sway control, and emergency auto-braking. You and your loved ones are protected wherever the road takes you. Welcome to the SkyLounge, an open-air deck with modular seating, an electric grill, an integrated sound system, and even a stargazing mode with heated recliners. Whether it's sunrise yoga or sipping wine under the stars, this is where moments turn into memories.